This is gonna be the weirdest mystery box like I've ever opened, guys. Like, this one's a strange one. I can't tell you where I bought this mystery box from because I did not buy this mystery box. And also, I don't know who sent this mystery box. That's right, this box literally showed up at my P.O. box and I have no idea who it's from and I have no idea what's inside of it. I'm assuming it is a sneaker mystery box though, and that's why it is on the sneaker mystery box episode because it's heavy, guys. Like, this thing is pretty big, man. Oh, I can't put that down. That's at least 25-30 pounds of shoes. It's gotta be shoes unless it's something really crazy, which would suck, and I would have to delete this video because it wouldn't match on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday. But yeah, I'm hoping that it's sneakers. I literally don't know who this is from though because there is no return address. And again, this was sent to my P.O. box, which I don't ever use. Like, I haven't advertised my P.O. box in like months or even years, dude. It's basically just where I ship things from. So I have no idea who sent this. It must be somebody that bought something from the web store, saw the address, and then maybe sent something back, which I have no idea why they would do that. So yeah, I guess we're gonna just open this up and see where we go with this, man, because I don't know where it's gonna go. I don't know if I should be excited or just like freaked out that some person or company just sent over a random box. Like, at least make yourself known and at least let me know that you're sending it because this was a weird one. USPS actually had to call me and tell me that this box has been waiting at your P.O. box for a while, and I'm like, what box? So yeah, we're gonna see what we got, guys. Last thing before I open this one up though, if you guys did not know, we still have a giveaway going on. There should be about a couple days left in the giveaway still, and if you guys didn't know, the giveaway is for a $500 pair of your dream sneakers. So that's any sneaker that you guys want: Yeezys, Nikes, Adidas, Pumas if you guys want, literally whatever you guys want as your dream sneaker, up to $500 in value. I will give it away to you. And it's super easy to enter. It takes like 10 seconds. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at UntiedHawaii, and then also go to this video over here or link in the description below. Go to that video, comment in the comment section what your dream shoe is, your sneaker size, and also what your Instagram handle is. This is super dangerous. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm still doing this. I'm gonna poke out an eye. Anyway, make sure you guys go do that. It takes like 10 seconds, super easy, and you guys might win your dream shoe. Ooh, okay. So, this is super confusing, man. Oof. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this. This is weird. Based off of what I see in this box, dude, I'm getting like chicken skin over here. I'm getting goosebumps, as you mainland people call it. This is kind of crazy, man. Based off of what's in this box is at least a couple $1,000s in value. And again, I did not pay for this box. I don't know who sent this box, and I don't know why they would send this box without making me pay for it, because there is hype shoes in here. On the counter, we're gonna be putting $0 as the box price because I didn't pay anything, so I gotta put 0 as the box price. So literally, I guess everything is pure profit, which is insane. I don't feel right about this. Like, I feel like this is a mistake. I think that's why I'm like getting like kind of like anxious and like I'm talking weird because I don't understand why somebody would send this. I will say at the start of the video though that if you are an individual or if you are a company that sent this box, please email me at my business email. It is linked in the description below. I don't understand what's going on here, but I do want to pay you guys for this box because it looks like there's a lot of good stuff in here. I don't understand. Yeah, so we'll figure out something. I don't want to just take free shoes. I don't understand the purpose of this. And I don't want to come off as being like ungrateful because I obviously am just completely floored right now. So yeah, let's see what we got. First things first over here though, we have a pair of Jordan 13s, and this is a pair of the bread colorway. In a size 10.5, and this one looks like it's barely worn too, so VNDS, very, very close to dead stock, guys. Jordan 13 Brett. Actually, you know what? Now that I see this might be a dead stock pair because unless somebody's wearing these around with the plastic over like this like cat eye thing, I don't know who would do this. So yeah, it might be brand new. Uppers look very, very clean. Bottoms, they look like there's a little bit of dirt on here, so it might have been a try-it-on pair, which would still count as dead stock. However, there is no box for this one, so obviously it's going to be sold for like a little bit less than what the DS price would be. Very interesting for a shoe here. Dude, I don't even know how to like communicate this box. Like, I don't know how to like feel about this because it's so strange. Like, everything is pure profit, so I can't hate on any shoe, you know? Like, whatever's in here, even if it's like a beater or like the grossest shoe ever, I didn't pay for it, so it's like free. So yeah. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. This is weird. So the counter, we're already in the green. This is the weirdest thing in the world, man. Okay, this one is an Air Max 90 Undefeated collab in a size 11.5. Oh, okay, cool. I've never seen these before. This one does look like it is a dead stock pair though. And these are a very recent actually release of the Undefeated Air Maxes. When you guys check it out over here, it's a pretty basic Air Max 90. On the back though, there is the Undefeated logo, so that's like pretty much the only thing that I can see that's like a collaboration piece over here. Oh, also I guess on the inside lining over here, and I just saw over here like this lace lock or whatever this thing is called. It says Undefeated over here as well, so that's kind of cool. Like that a lot. I don't even know if I can upload these shoes to the web store. Like I feel like this was like a mistake box. Like maybe a company sent this mistakenly to the wrong address, which I don't know why they would do that. This looks like literally like a box like Soul Supremacy or Soul Steals would make, but like I don't know why they would just send it without being paid for, you know? So I feel like I like am like stealing from somebody. That's why I feel like so like nervous right now. If I do decide to put the shoes on the web store, it will be on UntitledWarrior.com. That's what I'll say for there. I'm hoping that I can figure out like who sent this, you know, maybe there's like a note in here or something that I didn't find yet, and I can kind of like talk to them and figure out what's going on, and yeah, we'll come to like some kind of agreement. So yeah, it will be on UntitledWarrior.com. If it is, if it's not, then it's not. Next shoe out, here we go. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Off-white, an off-white Nike Air Max Vapor Max 11.5. Ooh, okay. And this is a pair, this is the first worn pair. This is a pair of the Off-White Vapor Max in the white colorway. Pretty good condition actually, but I definitely can tell that it has been used. The bottoms are dirty. Also upper for a white shoe and also for an off-white. This thing is very, very immaculate. Like the conditions look super, super clean. I don't see like any fraying on the shoe. There's like no markings. However, on the bottoms, you guys can tell that they have been worn a couple times. There is some dirt down there. So really good value again over here. Everything is value though, so I don't know what to say, man. It really does feel like I'm just like opening somebody else's box and this is a big mistake, but whatever, we'll figure it out. Next up is a, what the heck? This is a Yeezy V1 box. Okay. No way. Dude, this box might be like $6 grand. The more I like open it, the more I'm starting to like really be concerned. I'm really concerned because I don't know who was supposed to receive this box. If it was somebody else's box, they're out $6 grand, which would make me feel terrible. So I don't know. Anyway, this is a size 11 Yeezy 350 V1, and I'm not gonna give away the colorway. Whoa, interesting. Yeezy V1 Turtle Doves, guys. I'm wondering, is this legit? This can't be legit. This one kind of looks a little bit weird though. Like I didn't actually get into shoes until like I think the V2 wave, so the V1's kind of escaped me a lot. And a lot of people that are experts on fakes and stuff, if you guys can check this out in the camera up close for me, could you guys let me know what's going on here? Because I feel like this is a little bit different than what I usually see for a V1 Turtle Dove. Like the upper and stuff looks fine, I think. But over here, like the inside suede is so clean. Like maybe somebody cleaned up actually the shoe, and that makes sense why this is cleaner than the rest of the shoe, but this compared to the bottoms is just kind of confusing. I know you're supposed to look for like these little dots and stuff on like the boost, and yeah, the boost actually looks pretty legit. Yeah, I guess this is a legit Yeezy Turtle Dove, which is weird, man. Size 11, that's my size. If only I was into Yeezy V1s. Okay, Yeezy 700 over here, size 10.5, and I gotta preface this again. Like, I'm sorry I'm like breaking up this video a lot, but I'm trying to process this in my head as I'm opening it up with you guys. I don't want to come off as ungrateful. If somebody did actually send this with an intent to like gift it to me, then thank you. Like, obviously thank you. I'm very excited, but at the same time, I'm kind of frightened. Like, nobody does this, you know, like unless this was like Mr. Beast or like Jeff Bezos or, you know, like some millionaire guy who doesn't care about shoes, then yeah, that makes sense. But yeah, obviously Mr. Beast is not sending me stuff, so you know. Size 10.5 Yeezy 700. Okay, so not super hype, but it is definitely a free shoe. So Yeezy 700 Inertia, these are called. Definitely DS. As you guys can see, there is tags still attached over here, and the bottoms don't look like they're worn either, so another DS shoe. Actually not a bad colorway for the 700s. I'm not a big fan of the 700s, but this is like the most neutral tone, so pretty much the easiest one to wear in my opinion. Bottoms also do not look worn. I think the color and stuff is supposed to be like a faded kind of look, so that's why it looks like that. Not much to say here though. Nice shoe and also my size, but not a 700 person, so yeah, not keeping those. Guys, I gotta let you know, dude, it only gets better from here too. Like, I see these boxes, and these are the boxes that I knew that this box was gonna be expensive. Like, it's only gonna get better. Because this is a pair of Jordan 4 Levi's, also in a size 10.5. And Levi's actually blew up in price recently, so let's see which colorway we have. Okay, we have a pair of the white Levi's. This one is dead stock too. What in the... Oh my goodness. I know that the Levi's also came with like different tags up here, so you guys got to kind of watch which one you have. I'm not sure what the difference is, but this one does have the Jumpman up here and also has a size tagging up here. I think that the difference actually is that some of them have the Levi's logo on top instead of the Jumpman, so yeah, that might be the difference. I'm not sure. This is the weirdest beater box in the world. This is weird. This is weird. A couple more boxes in here, guys. This one is a Nike SB box, size 12. Nike Dunk Low Pro SB PL. What is PL? Whoa! What? I think these are called the Purple Avengers, and I think this is dead stock. But I don't remember the Avengers looking like this. Was the Purple Avengers always like a patent, like upper on the toe box and stuff? This one looks a little bit different than what I've seen. Granted, I've never seen a dead stock pair of these, so I'm not sure. And as you guys can see, like I was saying, there's patent leather over here on the toe box, and also I think this swoosh is patent leather as well. This one does look DS though. I don't see any issues on this. Also, I know it's DS because it still has a lace bag attached up here. Bottoms obviously not used either. So size 12 DS Purple Avenger. I'd like to say I'm surprised, but at this point in this box, nothing is surprising anymore, man. I'm opening this like it's not my box. That's how I'm like perceiving it in my head right now. I'm opening it like it's not my box, like this is not real. That way I'm able to process this. So yeah, we'll see. Whoa, okay, this one's kind of cool. I've never seen this in person. I know what this one is though, because this was one of the coolest boxes I've ever seen. It's kind of like a lunchbox, if you guys can tell. Also, this is not like wooden. But yeah, this one is a size 9. And how do I open this? This should be a pair of the Shoe Palace Ginas though that released a little while ago. This is definitely the Shoe Palace Ginas, and this one also is another dead stock shoe. You guys can see it does have that Shoe Palace logo on the back over here on this apple. Front of the apple has a Jordan Jumpman on top. Shoe itself, I was never a big fan of. Not something that I would wear personally, but this one is dead stock, so I'm sure it has good value. Even comes with like a Shoe Palace like Gina sticker. Okay. For a second, I thought this was a note that was supposed to be for me to figure out what this box is, but no, this is just a sticker. Okay, and the last shoe of this box, guys, this one is wild. Because this one is a pair of Jordan 4 KAWS, as you guys can see, KAWS Jordan 4s. This one is in a size 12. Okay, we got the KAWS card in here, the KAWS bag, so OG all. And I have a feeling this one's gonna be dead stock. Dang, okay, well, I'm not gonna complain because it doesn't matter if it's dead stock or not, you know? Like, this box was free. You guys can see that there's KAWS hands like running throughout the entire shoe, which is very, very dope. And the bottoms are actually glow in the dark. You guys can tell this one has been worn. A little bit of dirt all around the bottoms. Insides look like they've been barely worn. You guys can still see that collaboration logo with KAWS. It's like not run down. But that is it for the box. I see no note in here. I have no idea still, based off of the shoes and based off of no information in the box, who this is from. So again, if you guys sent this box, thank you for one, if it's mine and I'm allowed to keep it. If this was a mistake though, I'm gonna try to sort it out because you guys know me, man. I'm always straight up. I don't want to like keep something that doesn't belong to me. So if there was like some kind of like mistake or something, I hope I can like mediate it and, you know, get this box back to the person. So yeah, hit me up at Bryson@UntiedHawaii.com. And if I do like get in contact with the people that gave this box, not even sold this box, gave this box, and we figure everything out, then yeah, they will be on the web store, UntiedHawaii.com. So if you guys do see shoes on there, they are available to purchase only if I figure out what's going on. Bear with me on this because this is a strange case for me, guys. It's not normal for me. Yeah, maybe this is just like an appreciation box from a company. If it's from like Soul Supremacy or Soul Steals, then thank you. I love you forever and every other bad box is made up for. But if not, then yeah, we'll figure it out. Anyway, guys, that is it for this video. One of the weirdest ones by far, but it was very enjoyable, you know, like we got to see a lot of hype shoes in here. Again, don't forget to enter the giveaway. All of that is listed in the description below. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots!